9 reasons to love Sheepadoodle. Many people consider Sheepadoodles Muppets, and they are stinking cute. The Sheepadoodle ranks very highly on the list thanks to its hypoallergenic qualities. Please like and subscribe to Doodle Dog Diaries to catch the newest video. And here we go to Sheepadoodles! What are Sheepadoodles? Sheepadoodles are a cross between an Old English Sheepdog and a Standard Poodle. Now the Sheepadoodle can come in a variety of sizes, but for now the most common Sheepadoodle is going to be a big hypoallergenic dog. You can mix the breeds with the smaller poodle breeds to get smaller dogs, but this is something that we can talk about later. Number 2, why do people like them as pets? 1, the Sheepadoodles have become popular with different pet owners thanks to their non-shedding hypoallergenic qualities. Many first-time pet owners are looking to expand their family, and they've been looking for different breeds of dogs that fit the non-shedding and hyperallergenic needs. Number 2, Sheepadoodles are crazy cute, with the majority being colored black and white with panda-like plaque around their eyes. They will definitely remind you of the childlike teddy bears you had growing up, or at the very least remind you of a panda. There is some variety when it comes to coloring, with some also coming in gray, white, or brindle. 3. What types of Sheepadoodles are there? Most groups categorize Sheepadoodles in 4 groups. Number 1, F1 Sheepadoodle are bred with a purebred Old English Sheepdog and a purebred Standard Poodle. Number 2, F1B is when an F1 and a purebred Old English Sheepdog are mated. Number 3, F2 Sheepadoodle is created when 2 F1 dogs are bred. They are generally less expensive than F1s and F2s. Number 4, Mini Sheepadoodles are a small hypoallergenic dog born from an Old English Sheepdog and a Mini Poodle. They are usually less than 50 pounds. Number 4, Physical attributes. Standard Sheepadoodles can range from 45 to 80 pounds and are from 13 to 28 inches paw to head tall. It is important to note that these are just general guidelines. If, for example, the parents of the dogs are on the larger side, you can end up with a slightly larger Sheepadoodle. Number 5, the cost of a Sheepadoodle puppy. The average cost of a standard Sheepadoodle puppy from a good breeder with certificates is about $2,000 to $4,000. Most of the Sheepadoodle breeders have a wait list that are over a year long. This is due to the high demand for the Sheepadoodle. Most Sheepadoodle breeders require a deposit in advance to be able to secure your spot for the Sheepadoodle. This cost does not include the cost of owning a dog, such as vet bills, food, dog training, equipment, plus the cost of grooming for your Sheepadoodle. Depending on your area, a visit to the groomer can cost anywhere from $80 to $120 every month or month and a half, depending on your frequency. Number 6, personality. Sheepadoodles are playful, intelligent, loyal, and friendly. These are great traits for the right family. All dogs are different, so these are generalizations about the dogs. But when talking to the breeder, make sure to ask about the personality of their parents, as a good way to better understand what you will get. If you're looking for a guard dog along with a family member, a Sheepadoodle can act as a guard dog. Their parent, the Old English Sheepdog, is an excellent dog and is known for sounding the alarm when an intruder comes into the area. This same trait can be taught to your Sheepadoodle if you so choose. Thanks to their high intelligence, this is something that is possible. Since Sheepadoodles are very playful and friendly, they are generally willing to snuggle with you. But that doesn't mean all dogs will want to snuggle up with you. Thankfully, since most Sheepadoodles want to be as close as possible to their parents, they will generally not mind getting squishies from their parents. The big guideline to remember is that they're going to be happy as a clam as long as they are near good people like yourself. Number 7, energy level. Sheepadoodles are considered high energy. Not surprising since they often inherit the sheepdog herding genes. This means you will have to do daily walks as a minimum requirement for your sheepadoodle. Most of the time you will have to do multiple walks a day. A common expectation should be for an adult sheepadoodle that you walk your dog for a total of 60 minutes a day. Also be aware that your sheepadoodle will probably like to go for a dip in the water when the opportunity presents itself. Be mindful that having your sheepadoodle going swimming can often lead to a coat grooming issues, so be aware of that. Number 8, intelligence of sheepadoodle. This pooch is considered to be very intelligent, thanks to both its parents being intelligent dogs. Thanks to their Old English Sheepdog lineage, you will be able and in fact encouraged to teach your sheepadoodle lots of different tricks. Teaching your sheepadoodle new tricks is a great way to help them bond with you and help them burn off some of their energy. If you have not checked out some of the YouTube videos of Old English Sheepdogs doing herding yet, we highly encourage you to do so. The displays of sheep mastery you will see will not only impress, but give you a good sense of why giving your sheepadoodle new tricks to master and learn is super important. To see a list of different tricks you could potentially teach your sheepadoodle, check out our post here about different dog tricks we recommend. Important to note, if you do not provide them with sufficient mental stimulation, they will become bored and potentially destructive to property. Also, be prepared for a potential sassy sheepadoodle who can do the training, but in a way with a unique twist if not kept properly trained. Number 9, sociability. The sheepadoodle is super friendly. However, it's important that you do early socialization with your sheepadoodle to ensure that there are no complications as they become older. It has been frequently established that a well-socialized puppy are less likely to exhibit problematic, aggressive dog behaviors, stepping out of fear and anxiety. By early socialization, we need exposure to people, places, or experiences from a young age as to not put them in pressure situations that will cause them to be extra nippy. Sheepadoodles as a whole are wonderful. These dogs sometimes will cuddle up with their owner and often cuddle up with perfect strangers. It is often said that once you get a sheepadoodle, you forget what your personal space used to be like, even the personal space in your bed. Cuddles from your sheepadoodle are going to be eminent. Conclusion: the sheepadoodle is a great pet if you're looking for a warm, smart family member. They're super cute and will often be size-wise between 20 to 23 inches when fully grown. And fully grown means between 18 months to 2 years old. The weight will be between 60 to 75 pounds. They are super smart and goofy, and if you are like my family that loves to laugh, sheepadoodles are a match in heaven. Lastly, they are high energy, so get ready to lose some weight. Call it the Sheepadoodle Weight Loss Plan. Please like and subscribe to Doodle Dog Diaries to catch the latest video, and please share what videos you would like to see. Enjoy your doodle dogs, woof woof, and may you have a great Doodle Dog Day.